Hi guys, Mr. B is back on Friday afternoon. Today I would like to introduce a new special to you, which name is 2 minutes with, and in this terms, the Seagull 1963 chronograph. Hope you have fun. 2 minutes is not a lot of time and we're running out of light here, so let's start with the specifications. This Seagull 1963 chrono does have a diameter of 37 mm, including crown 40 mm. Lug to lug we talk about 18 mm. The height of the watch is more or less 14.5 mm. Inside you will find a chronograph movement, and especially here a column wheel chronograph with about 40 hours power reserve. This movement is similar to the period 3017 movement and based on the Venus 150 movement. The watch you see here does have an acrylic crystal, but as well would be available with a sapphire crystal. This watch is also available in a 42 mm case. I would not recommend it though, because on the one hand it's not as close to the original version as this model is, and from my point of view the proportions of the 37 mm watch suit the Seagull much better than the slight bigger 42 mm case. Alright, on the wrist you can tell that the Seagull is a little bit on its smaller side with the 37 mm. Nevertheless, very comfortable on the NATO strap. It sits a little bit higher on the wrist, small diameter, but 14.5 mm height. Nevertheless, very comfortable to wear. I do like the look of the 60s in this chronograph. I do like the slightly vintage pattern of the dial. So overall it is pretty interesting to see that it's possible for about $280 US to produce a column wheel chrono. Come on guys, it's awesome. So if you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down as well accepted as usual. Stay tuned for this weekend, as there is coming up an epic battle between the Seagull and the almighty Speedmaster. Great Friday evening, good weekend, and hope to see you soon. Bye guys.